Hi, this is Victor from Jaye heater. Today, let's talk about the drum heater. On my hand is a blue drum heater. We can make different color of the drum heaters as your request. And the most popular is the red color. We can also make the white color if you need. And for all the drum heaters, thermostats are available. There are mainly two types of thermostats. One type is chemical thermostats. You can dial the thermostat to control the temperature that you need. It will be very easy to control. And the second is the digital thermostat. You can set the temperature that you need on the thermostats to control the heater. And for the plugs, we can make the standard as the request in your country. We can make different types of plugs. It's very easy to install the drum heaters. You just need to wrap the drum heater on the drum that you need to heat it, and then fix the spring, and then connect the power. But please remember, take off your power if you don't use the heater. And for the drum heaters, if you have any requirements, just contact with us. Thank you.